ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम। सुमुखश्च एकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः लंबोदरश्च विकटो विघ्नराजो विनायकः धूमकेतुर्गणाध्यक्षः फालचन्द्रो गजाननः वक्रतुण्डः शूर्पकर्णो हेरम्बः स्कन्दपूर्वजः शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये यद्विरदवक्त्राद्याः पारिषद्याः परस्सतं विघ्नं निघ्नन्ति सततं विश्वक्सेनं तमाश्रये। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय कृष्णाय अक्लिष्टकारिणे नमो वेदान्तवेद्याय गुरवे बुद्धिसाक्षिणे कृष्णद्वैपायनं व्यासं सर्वभूतहिते रतं वेदाब्जभास्करं वन्दे समाधिनिलयं मुनिं जन्माद्यस्य यतः अन्वयात् इतरतश्च अर्थेषु अभिघ्नः स्वराट् तेने ब्रह्महृदायः आदिकवये मुह्यन्ति यत् सूरयः तेजोवारिमृदां यथा विनिमयो यत्र त्रिसर्गो मृषा धाम्ना स्वेन सदा निरस्तकुहकं सत्यं परं धीमहि दर्भः प्रोचिधकैतवोऽत्र परमो निर्मत्सराणां सतां वेद्यं वास्तवम् अत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयोन्मूलनं श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा परैरीश्वरः सद्यो हृदि अवरुध्यतेऽत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषभिस्तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखातमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिकाः भुवि भावुकाः यं प्रव्रजन्तम् अनुपेतम् अपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरह कातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि यः स्वानुभावम् अखिलसुतिसारम् एकम् अध्यात्मदीपम् अतितीर्षतां तमोन्धम संसारिणां करुणयाः पुराणगुह्यं तं व्याससूनुम् उपयामि गुरुं मुनीनां नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। Now, with Bhagavan's grace, let us continue from where we left off yesterday. We came up to Slokam 32, Adhyayam 8, Skandam number 4. Ato nivartatam eva nirbandhaha tava nishphalaha yatishyati bhavan kale shreyasam samupastite. Narada is now discouraging Dhruva, testing him actually, not discouraging him, but testing. Like, when you hit a nail on the wall, how do you know it is strong? You try to shake it a little bit, right? That's what we were testing it out, whether it's strong. So, ataha, a child, it says in Slokam 32, go back. It says, very difficult. What you have entered upon is going to be fruitless. अतः निवर्तताम, because तव येष निर्बन्धः निष्फलः, it is not going to succeed. Your obstinacy and all that is fruitless. Come back when the timing is more appropriate, is what he says. So now Slokam 33 will continue. Yasya yaddeva vihitam sahatena sukha dukkhayoho आत्मानं तोषयन् देहि तमसः पारमृच्छति यस्य यद्देव विहितं सह तेन सुखदुःखयोः आत्मानं तोषयन् देहि तमसः पारमृच्छति. पदங்கள் यस्य यत् देव विहितं सह तेन सुखदुःखयोः आत्मानं तोषयन् देहि तमसः पारं ऋच्छति. Sukha-dukkhayoho yat yasya daiva vihitam. Okay, Sukha-dukkhayoho. Sukhangal and Dukhangal. Sukham and Dukkham. Happiness, pleasures and pains. Yat, whatever pleasures and pains. Yasya, to whom whatever pleasures and pains, யாருக்கு எந்த துக்கங்களும் சுகங்களும், to whom whatever pleasures and pains, Daiva Vihitam is happening because of Bhagavan's Leela, the command, the rule, the inviolable rule that has been prescribed by Bhagavan. Action-reaction rule. Okay? So because of that, it happens. Whatever happens to whoever, Tena, by those pleasures and pains, by those Sukham and Dukkham, Atmanam, one's own self, Toshayanna, being happy, being contented with whatever happens, with those, Sahadehi, that Jivan, that human being in this case, that human being, Tamasaha Param Ruchati, Tamasaha Param, Vedaham Purusham Mahantam, that is recalled from Purusha Suktam. Tamasah Parastat, he is beyond ignorance, shining behind ignorance. I know him, is what the Vedic Rishi says. So Tamasaha Param, going beyond the ignorance, he attains the state of bliss, Ruchati, he attains. If he is happy and contented truly, sincerely, the word is Toshayanna, to mean not just be happy, to be literally be contented, mentally contented, no agitation. Yes, this is Swami's prasadam. And based upon what is coming, Purva Karmanurupam, as Kulasekara Alvar says, whatever I see, all the karmakal and the results and whatever is happening to me, that's all I see that as your own form, Swami, the form of my own previous actions. And I see only you in those. Okay? So I worship you. So what I get is what I deserve. What I don't get is also what I deserve. Every one of us, you, me, everybody, that's the same rule. So knowing this, whatever pleasures and pains one gets, whoever it may be, and if he is contented with that, saying this is all Daiva Vihitam, all a part of Bhagavan's, the rule of operation, the modus operandi in this whole world. I forgot to give my share, my love, so I'm paying the price for it, basically. I forgot to think of Bhagavan when I did something. I was egoistic. Selfishness is there, so I'm paying the price for it. So once you understand it and accept it as whatever happens, and with the moment I accept something, literally, truly, sincerely, from my heart, that is contentment. Not intellectually accepting, because I'm helpless to do anything about it. That is not what it is. Accepting things as Swami's prasadam. If I do that, Sahadehi, that Purushan, that human being, Tamasaha Param Richati, he goes beyond the realm of ignorance. That means Ajnanam is removed. So what is left is only Jnanam, only bliss. Yasya yad deva vihitam sahatena sukha dukkhayoho atmanam toshayan dehi tamasaha param richati. Number 34, Narada continues. Gunadikat mudam lipset, gunadikan mudam lipset, anukrosam gunadhamat, maitrim samanad anvichent, na tapaihi abhibhuyate. Gunadikan mudam lipset, anukrosam gunadhamat, maitri samanadan, maitri samanat, anvichet na tapai rabibhuyate. Guna adikat mudam lipset. Anukrosam gunadhamat, maitri samanat, anvichet na tapaihi abhibhuyate. Those are the padangal. Guna adikat, one whose character is better than mine, one who is more selfless than me, one who is more loving than me. We see people like that, people who are selfless, who are sacrificing themselves, their own life, for the welfare of others. Guna adhikate, those people whose character, gunangal, is superior to mine. I look at that, what should I do? Mudam lipsete, I must become happy. I must be happy in seeing somebody better than me. Guna adhamat, anukrosam lipsete, guna adhamat, one whose character, behavior, conduct, and foreboding, the way he behaves, right, personality, whatever you want to call it, is inferior to me. In other words, the person who is very cruel, very unkind, and things that he's doing that is not correct. Whatever, we see people like that, okay, who hurt others, who lie, who cheat, and all those things are there, right? We see. So guna adhamate, when we see like that, people like that, anukrosam lipsete, I must be compassionate towards them instead of being judgmental. I see somebody superior, better than me, I must be happy. See somebody who's inferior, is not as good as me, then I must be compassionate to him. Okay? Now, what about samanat? Maitrim anvichete. Somebody who's like me. What should I do? I must have friendship with that person. That person who does this, tapaihi na abhibhuyate. Tapaihi, with sufferings and miseries and difficulties, na abhibhuyate. He is not caught in that. He is not touched by those. It doesn't happen to him. So absence of jealousy is what this is all about. Jealousy is the worst enemy. Okay, it's worse than cancer. Even cannot be cured in one life birth. You don't know how many births you have to take to cure that cancer of jealousy. Very careful we have to be. Okay, matsaryam, that is very, very careful with that, because then that gives rise to three different children. Okay, jealousy gives rise to three different children. Immediately, some sister was asking, all these we are thinking as if all these people were born in the past and Brahma was there and all this. But no, they're all happening in the present moment. Please remember that. So all these things like Gunangal and all that continuously happen. The moment I'm jealous, immediately I give birth to three children. What are the three children? Okay, Krodham. Okay, that Krodham is anger comes. And then, of course, Moham, which is attachment, illusion, and Lobham, greed, miserliness. That is very careful, very, very careful. Jealousy comes in our own life. We must evaluate. Am I jealous? Somebody is better than me. Let them be happy. I'm happy for him. Seriously, because if I generate jealousy comes within me, if I don't cut it in its root and throw it out, I am the one who is going to pay the price for it, not the other person. My peace is gone. It robs me of my peace and happiness, and I fall down. Patanti, the pata, I fall down in the spiritual journey. I regress, I go backwards. Okay, that is very careful with jealousy. So this slokam talks about absence of jealousy. How to do that? Somebody is better than me. In the Gunangal, it says Guna Adhikat. We talked about character and all that. Could happen to any field. Somebody may have more money than me, they may be more successful, more powerful, more healthy, whatever it may be. Something that I desire, the person has got more of it, whatever it may be. Be happy for him. Somebody who's not as good as me. Be compassionate. And somebody like me, same way, then have friendship. Be friendly to that person. This way, there is no room for jealousy. The worst evil is jealousy among the 6 enemies we have. So this is the advice he gives. Okay, what does he mean? Hey, listen, be happy. He tells Dhruva, okay, Uttama got to sit on your father's lap. Yes, he is better than you in the sense king of your father likes him more. Be happy with it. This is implicit advice in this. And Suruchi was cruel to you, spoke cruel words to you. Not only unkind, she was also hurtful. Okay, be compassionate towards her. That's what that's advice he's giving. Okay? Please, all these are advices meant for me. If I'm hearing this, it's advice meant for me. I take this as Bhagavan's teaching to me personally. And I suggest you consider doing the same. It's up to you, between you and Bhagavan who's seated in your heart. Okay? Very, very careful. Now, Dhruva Uvacha, number 35. Soyam Samo Bhagavata Sukha Dukkha Hatatmanam Darshitah Kripaya Pumsam Durdasosmat Vidhaistu Yaha Durdasosmat Vidhaistu Yaha. I'll break the padangal for you in a minute. Soyam Samo Bhagavata Sukha Dukkha Hatatmanam Darshitah Kripaya Pumsam Durdasosmat Vidhaistu Yaha Saha Ayam Samaha Bhagavata Sukha Hata Atmanam Darshitah Kripaya Pumsam Durdasaha Durdarshosmat Vidhaistu Yaha. That's correct, it should be. There's a ir there. Durdarshosmat. Durdarshaha asmat vidhaistu yaha. Durdarshaha asmat vidhaistu yaha. Sukha dukkha hatatmanam. Sukha dukkha hata atmanam. Hata means being killed. Because in this case, experiencing the trials and tribulations of pains and pleasure, Pumsam, for the people who experience these ups and downs of pains and pleasures, Saha Ayam Samaha, Saha Ayam, this Samaha, the Santi Margam of one, when you say better than you, be happy, and somebody worse than you, cruel and all that, be compassionate towards them, and somebody like you, be friendly with them. This Samamargam. One of love, one of forgiveness, not forgiveness is the wrong word, one of basically being compassionate and not having jealousy. Okay, this Santi Margam, Saha Ayam Samaha, Bhagavataha, by you, Kripanaha, Kripaya, isn't the word that is there? Let me check the word. Kripaya, not Kripanaha. Kripanaha is a very bad word, that means something else. Kripaya, it's a printing mistake here in the book. Kripaya, by most compassionately with your grace, by your love, Bhagavataha Kripaya, by your love, Darshitaha, you have shown this to me. Darshitaha, you have shown this pathway to me, how to be not jealous. Basically saying, yes, be compassionate and loving towards Suruchi. She was very cruel to you. Don't get uptight. Immediately your Kshatriya Swavam comes and you cannot take humiliation and all that, all this. No, you're keeping it in your mind. Don't do all that, right? No, be compassionate. And what Uttama, yes, fine, he got sit on your father's lap and you could not do it. Okay, maybe his father likes him more. Be happy for him. If a good thing happened to him, be happy for him. This margam, this samabhavam, Swami, you have shown this to me through out of your love for people like me who are being pulled and pushed by pains and pleasures of life. You have shown this path of equanimity. Samam sukha dukkhe same krutva. Like that, you have shown this to me. This is how we should live. If I follow this, starting this moment in my life, if you follow this, and if I follow this, it is guaranteed that samabhavam will come. I will have no jealousy. I'll become more loving. But Swami, yaha asmat vidhaistu. Yaha, this shanti margam, samabhavam of pathway of equanimity, asmat vidhaistu, for people like me, durdarshaha, not possible to follow. You have shown this, yes, but not possible to follow for people like me, is what he says. Okay? I hope it's clear. Soyam samo bhagavata sukha dukkha hatatmanam darshitah kripaya pumsam durdarshosmat vidhaistu yaha. Slokam 36. Padam tribhuvanotkrishtam jigishoho sadhuhu vartmame bruhasmat pitubihi brahman anyairapyanadishthikam. Sorry, 36 is, sorry, I'm going to 37. 36. Athapi me vinitasya kshatram ghora mupeyushaha suruchya durvacho banaihi na bhinne srayate hrudi. Athapi me vinitasya kshatram ghora mupeyushaha suruchya durvacho banaihi na bhinne srayate hrudi. Ata api me avinitasya kshatram ghoram upeshaha suruchya durvacho banaihi na bhinne srayate hrudi. Hrudi nasrayate. It is not touching my heart, is what he says. Your teaching is very good. I cannot do it because it's not touching my heart. Okay, that's basically the meaning. Why? Touching my heart, sparsam, so it means to touch. But here I'm not able to get into my heart. Intellectually I understand, but not getting to my heart. Why? The same thing. We all understand this teaching intellectually, but it is not imbibed inside. That's what he's saying. Na srayate. Okay. Let's take the meanings now. Yes, Swami, now he says, Yaha asmat vidaistu durdarshaha. These are very difficult. It's not possible for people like me to follow this. Atapi, even then, even though avinitasya, vinayam means humility. Avinitasya, one who doesn't have humility, the worshipfulness in him. Goram, the intense. Kshatram, the Kshatriya Tanmai. Upayishaha, having got it. Okay, well, he's talking about himself. He says, Atapi, for people like me, it's not possible. It's not even though it's a very good advice, very good pathway you have shown, very difficult. It doesn't impress me, I cannot get it. Because, first of all, I don't have Vinayam Avinitasya, the worshipful attitude, bending. You see, the reason I get angry because I don't bend mentally to what is happening. I don't bend to what is happening when that happening is not according to the way I want it to happen. Lack of Vinayam. So The absence of seeing everything as Bhagavan's prasadam and worshipping it that way. Everything at Bhagavan prasadam, what happens, what doesn't happen in my life, it's all Bhagavan's prasadam. Therefore, I have my head, my mind bent in worship to him. Namaha, bending in humility, in vinayam. That is the worshipfulness. So that is vinitasya. Avinitasya, without that attitude, I am there. Also, ghoram kshatram upayushaha. I am also, my kshatriya tanmay, the blood is boiling within me because I am also kshatriya. That's what I have. And suruchya, dur vacho banaihi binne. Suruchya, suruchis, suruchuniya. Durvacho banaihi. Durvacho banaihi. Bana means arrows. So the words of cruel words, which was, and binne means it's hurting, pierced me like very sharp arrows, cruel, the arrows of cruel words that she spoke, that has pierced me. I've been wounded by that. So may in my hrudi, in my mind, nasrayate, it is not being connected. It is not descending. It is not being imbibed. Even though I agree with what you say, okay? Because, see, good thing, we can offer the best advice to someone, but if the receiver is not conducive to receive it, what can do? He says the same way. My mind is all agitated. I am completely wounded by her cruel words. My nature is, my blood is boiling. That's your Kshatriya Tanmay. Plus, I am not humble to receive mentally what you are telling me. This is the truth. That is why Vidya Vinaya Sampannena, to learn anything, one must have Vinayam. Without Vinayam, nothing will be learned in life. So please trust me, it's very, very important. We all today, comment on the teacher and criticize this. Yeah, the class was boring, the teacher was so boring and all these things. No, it's a reflection on me as a student. Because the knowledge can come and does come in every way possible. Through the teacher, through a book, through a surrounding, through a word spoken. It can come in infinite ways. But I must be open to receive it mentally. That means I must be humble. Okay? That vinayam is so important. So he says, avinitasya, I don't have that. Ghoram kshatram upeshaha. My blood is boiling with the kshatriya's blood, that anger, and cannot stand the humiliation that happened to me. Suruchya durvacho bhanaihi binne. I've been pierced so harshly by her cruel words. May hrudi, in my mind, na srayate. Okay? Now 37. Padam Tribhuvanotkrishtam Jigishoho Sadhu Vartma Me Bruhi Asmat Pitrubhihi. Okay? Bruhi Asmat Pitrubhihi Brahman Anyairapya Anyaihi api Anadishtitam. Okay? Those are the words in slokam number 31, 37, okay, anadishtitam, correct. Anadishtitam, dishtitam, anadishtitam. Okay. Padam tribhuvanotkrishtam jikishoho sadhu vartma me bhuhyasmat pitrubhir brahman anyairapya nadishtitam. Padam Tribhuvana Utkrishtam Jigishoho Sadhuhu Vartma Me Bruhi Asmat Pitrubhihi Brahman Anyaihi api Anadhishtitam. Padam Tribhuvana Utkrishtam Jigishoho Sadhu Vartma Me ब्रूहि अस्मत् पितृभिः ब्रह्मन् अन्यैः अपि anadhishtitam. A Brahman addressing him. Dhruva is addressing another Brahman. Anyaihi asmat pitrubhihi api. Anyaihi other. Asmat pitrubhihi api. All my ancestors also. By them also. Pitrubhihi api. By them also. Anadhishtitam. Not being achieved. Something that has not been achieved by others as well as my ancestors. What is it? Tribhuvana Utkrishtam Padam. Tribhuvana Utkrishtam. The best among all the three worlds. Padam, that place that has not been attained by others, also by my ancestors. That Padam, that Sthanatai. Okay, Padam, the Sanskrit grammar, so that place, okay, so that's on the Sthanatai, Jigishoho, desiring to attain that, desiring that place, me, to me, Sadhu Vartma, the beneficial pathway, Bruhi, please tell me, teach me. Tell me the pathway that I desire to achieve. Tell me the pathway to attain the sthanam, the state that I want to achieve, the desire to achieve, that has not been achieved by others as well as by my ancestors also. Please show me that pathway. Tell me that margam, sadhu vartma, that beneficial path. Because what you told me, I'm not able to do it. So please tell me what I can do. Putting it in another way. Padam tribhuvanot prishtam jigishoho sadhu vartma me. Bruhi asmat pitrubhihi brahman anyaihi api anadhishtitam. Slokam number 38. Nunam bhavan bhagavato yongajah parameshtinah vidutan nadate veenam hita artam jagator kavat. Nunam bhavan bhagavato yongajah parameshtinah Vitudan natate veenam hitartha jagator kavat. Nunam bhavan bhagavatah yah angajah parameshtinah vidutan natate veenam hita artham jagatah arkavat. Yah bhagavatah parameshtinah angajah yah who Bhagavatah Parameshtinah, the Bhagavan Brahmadevas, Angajaha, child, okay, son, that Bhavan, you, Arkavat, just like the sun, Jagatara Hita Artham, to do only benefit to all the worlds, Veenam, Vidutan, the Vinaye Meetikondu, playing the Veena. Vidutan Atate means you moving around in all the three worlds to just like the sun and spreading benefit all around, meeting your Vinay. And you're doing that, Adate, you're doing this. Nunam, this is certain. This is for sure. You're doing this, he says. Why? Why does it say that? Please also tell me the pathway where I can achieve that place. Because you're going around all the world doing only good for others, is what he says. And I know you're doing that. Nichayam. There's a Nunam, Nichayam, for sure, no doubt. Nunam bhavan bhagavato yongajah parameshtinah Vidutan atate veenam hitartam jagator kavat Maitreya uvacha. युदाहृतमाकर्ण्य भगवान् नारदस्तदा प्रीतः प्रत्याहतं बालं सद्वाक्यमनुकम्पया युदाहृतमाकर्ण्य भगवान् नारदस्तदा प्रीतः प्रत्याहतं बालं सद्वाक्यमनुकम्पया मैत्रेय उवाच मैत्रेय said इति उदाहृतम् आकर्ण्य भगवान् नारदः तदा प्रीतः प्रत्याह तं बालं सत्वाक्यम् अनुकम्पया इति thus udahritam having been spoken, whatever Dhruva spoke, okay, whatever has been spoken, akarnya, hearing whatever has been spoken, thus Bhagavan Naradaha, the Bhagavan Narada, Preetaha, very pleased, okay, very pleased, very happy. This boy is asking the right question. Every teacher is happy when the right question is asked in the right manner, the right intention. Okay, this is Samvadam. So then Tada, at that point, then Tambalam, to that young boy, to that Dhruva, Anukampaya, with tremendous love, okay, with a selfless love, Satvakyam, Pratyaha, Satvakyam, means good advice. In this case, good advice. Pratyaha, he replied. He gave him a very good, beneficial advice. Okay? Very pleased with Dhruva's request. And then so he gave him a very beneficial advice. It yudahritamakarnya bhagavan naradastada प्रीतः प्रत्याह तं बालं सत्वाक्यम् अनुकम्पया. Narada Uvacha, what did Narada say? That we will take up with Swami's Anugraham in our next session. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृतेः स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि. ॐ तत्सत्. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीमहीसाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं. समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु. समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु. समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरिः ॐ.